Hello from gardening at Douentza here in Ireland, and today I thought I'd nip along to my local garden centre and just pick up some orchid compost to repot some cymbidiums. So while I'm here I thought we'd just have a look around. And as you can see, this is the garden centre, so we're just having a little look around. Lots of pretty things here. I wonder, will I be tempted at all? Oh, there's that angel wings that I lost. And this is pretty unusual and cute. It's a succulent and it has these funny flowers. And some cyclamen, although these look a bit coarse for my liking. I prefer the paler flowered ones, and I prefer the smaller leaved ones. But, lots of pretty colour there. Okay, I guess it's time to take a jaunt inside and have a look at the houseplants, because that's where I'll find my compost. Well, I've just dropped in here to this garden centre to buy some orchid compost to repot my cymbidiums, and I've just been quite surprised at the lovely selection of houseplants they have. Now we're here in Springland Garden Centre near Gorey in County Wexford, and we have lots and lots of pretty, well, not lots and lots, it's a small selection, very unusual stuff. They have a nice range of succulents, including some little cuties. And then over here, some begonias. Gosh, that's so glossy, it doesn't look real. In here some very nice ferns, including this little gem here, which I recently used in a planter. See how pretty it is? They say just fern indoor mix. A lot of these are very, very nice. Little tree fig. And just look up here, they have orchid food. Wow, orchid feed. A little anthurium. And Senecio. Look at that. Bird of paradise plant. Wow. I would absolutely love one of these wine crates for plants. Look at that. Isn't it great? It's a bit pricey though. Lots and lots of pots, which I guess comes as no surprise. And over here we've quite a pretty selection of air plants. that. Pilea, which we all know and love. And over here, oh yeah, wait till you see this. Okay, some nice looking stuff, including this absolute gem. Love this plant to bits. But look what we have tucked away in the corner. It says, I am unusual. Keep me warm. Do you know what that is? Look what it says here on the label. Blooming right, this is unusual. This is a vanilla orchid. Makes great climbing plant. Difficult to flower in a home environment. But look at that. I'm tempted, I must say. Over here we have some interesting hanging baskets for the air plants. So the prices includes the air plant and the planter. Usual spring bulbs and amaryllis. But what else do we have over here? Oh yeah, anthuriums. The usual red one. I'm not so mad about the flamingo myself now. He does show the things off very well. And down here, look at this. How gorgeous is this? I love the glaucous colour. Really, really pretty thing. Where's the name? Mordania. Isn't it lovely? And beside it, the Monstera obliqua, the one with the holes in the leaves. I've never actually seen that for sale anywhere else. Cool. Some hanging plants, and back here some Sarracenia. Look at that. And Nepenthes. Spider plant. More Nepenthes. This really is some selection for a very small garden centre. Oh yeah, and look over here, look at this. This alocasia. Look at the gorgeous stems on it. I've seen one with a darker stem that really was very tempting. But this is pretty too. Look at it. Very tempting. This is so black. Look at it. It's about to flower too.